Hop, huh, yeah, hey. Welcome to Dino Dragon Games. I'm your host, Dino Dragon. Hope you bring the snacks. Today, I'm making the third devlog in the devlog series, and make sure you like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell, which is somewhere down there, and and hope you enjoyed the video. Wonderful beach here, and I will see you later. Da-da-da. Alright, back inside the player blueprint, I'm going to quickly collapse a section of code into a function, and going to do that. And then once I'm done with that, I will be on my way. Alright, so this is me making the macro inside the macro library. All I do is just create the same blueprint code as before, but I just add a little camera fade with a delay at the beginning. Alright, so I'll plug it in, and it does this, so I need to fix it. Alright, after some time, I have figured out the solution that I need to get it to smoothly fade in and out. So the code you see here is the same, but the new code over here is a disabled actor, disabled player, and all it does is disable some stuff, as well as put constraints, and then do all sorts of things. And at the end of that, it will just reset the level with the macro that I set up. So in the demonstration here, it slowly fades to black and resets the level. Cool, that is very nice. Alright, let's move on to the next thing. Alright, I made this gate, and it's going to be the end of the level. And it's all it's going to do is to load the next level and check to see if it's the last level in the index, which I'm going to make it soon. So I'm making this function called level complete. And the next thing I'm going to do is, after I name this function, is simply go back to the event graph and put in the macro, is player macro, and plug that in. And then I'm going to create a variable called level names that will contain all the names of the level, and I'm going to turn it into an array, and that will be the end of it. Alright, so next step I'm going to do is create the first two level names, which is level 1-1 and level 1-2. Next step, I created a custom function called get current level index, and I put in the get level, and then I go find the index and then plug that in, and then I create an output called it return value. Then I'm going to make it into an integer, and then I'm just going to plug it in, and it'll be done. Alright, so I'll grab the list of names of levels, and I'm going to grab the last index. So I want to figure out what the last index, and I'm going to integer equals integer, and I'm going to plug that function into there. Next, I'm going to collapse the code into a function, and I'm going to call the function isFinalLevel. And then after that, I'm going to make it into a pure const function, and then go ahead and add a output called return value variable, return value, and then turn it into a boolean, and then just kind of move the thing and just do that. Now I'm making a function called load next level, and just get the current level index, and then +1, and I just going to get the copy of the of that index, and then just going to open the level. After putting the rest of it together, I got it to work, and it does. Alright, now let's move on to the next thing. Alright, final thing before we go. I'm going to create a simple volume that resets the level when the player falls into it. Just going to get the macro to see if it's the player, and then if it is, just reopen the level with the other macro that I've made. And here, now I'm going to put it into the level, make it real big, and show you that it works. Cool. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed the video. So if you like the video, give it a like. If you don't like the video, give it a dislike. And there are playlists over there, and another playlist over there, and the subscribe button up there. And and so do those things, and you will never miss a video. And because I post somewhat infrequently, but and I will see you next time. Bye.